Is it the right time to buy or sell Aurora Cannabis stock? Today, we're delving into Aurora Cannabis. Our initial report was released on Thursday, April 4th, 2024. Now, we're providing you with a more in-depth analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and enable notifications to stay informed about our latest insights. Stay ahead of any developments that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly introduced AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 on StockInvest.us. Harness the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and comprehensive analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember, this video is solely for informational purposes and should not be construed as financial advice. Since February 23, 2024, our system has identified Aurora Cannabis as a buy candidate with a score of 1.63. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this period. Investors who followed our analysis would have experienced a significant gain of 116.56% since we first recommended Aurora Cannabis as a buy candidate 29 days ago. This equates to an average daily return of 4.02% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the upper part of a strong rising trend, presenting a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders as a pullback towards the lower trend is likely. A breakout above the 730 mark would signal a more robust upward movement. Over the next 3 months, there is a projected 330.44% change with a potential return ranging between 103.4% and 345.9%. Looking at the 12-month trend, a 39.54% change is anticipated, with a potential return varying from -87.6% to 42.66%. This translates to a price range of 91 to 10.07 within a year. In our latest update on Aurora Cannabis, the stock price experienced significant movement on Thursday, fluctuating by 37.25% between its high and low points. On Thursday, April 4th, 2024, the Aurora Cannabis stock price dropped by 2%, going from 7.21 to 7.6 cents. Throughout the trading day, the stock ranged from a low of 6.47 to a high of 8.88. Over the past 10 days, the price has increased in 5 instances, showing an overall rise of 83.85% in the last 2 weeks. Trading volume saw a surge of 22 million shares on the last day, despite a decline in prices. This uptick in volume could signal a potential increase in risk over the next few days, with a total of 63 million shares exchanged for approximately $446.07 million. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the stock hit a high of $8.88 and a low of 0.37 cents. Currently, the price sits 20.50% below the 52-week high, equivalent to a $1.82 difference, and 64.13% below the all-time high on May 18, 2020, when it peaked at $19.68. Analyst ratings Canaccord Genuity upgraded ACB to positive on Friday, Feb 16, 2024. Canaccord Genuity downgraded ACB to hold on Wednesday, Sep 21, 2022. Maxim Group downgraded ACB to hold on Wednesday, Sep 21, 2022. Needham initialized ACB at hold on Wednesday, Sep 21, 2022. Exane BNP Paribas initialized ACB at outperform on Wednesday, Sep 21, 2022. Analysts have assessed Aurora Cannabis stock with a general neutral rating. They consider the PE ratio and price-to-book ratio as neutral. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also assign a neutral rating to the stock. Signals for Aurora Cannabis. The Aurora Cannabis stock shows buy signals from short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Additionally, a buy signal is present from the relationship between the short-term and long-term averages. Support levels are at $5.28 and $3.48, and a breakdown below these levels may trigger sell signals. The 3-month moving average convergence divergence MACD also gives a buy signal. However, there are some negative signals affecting short-term development. A recent sell signal from a pivot top on April 3, 2024, resulted in a 2.08% decline, suggesting further downside until a new bottom pivot is established. Increased volume on declining prices could be a warning sign for investors to monitor closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 32 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 33 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 33 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 33 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 33 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 33 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Aurora Cannabis. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, indicating potential poor performance in the coming days. The stock exhibits high volatility, making it a very high-risk investment according to the Bollinger Band. In the past day, the stock fluctuated by 2.41 cents or 37.25% between its high and low points. Over the last week, it has shown an average daily volatility of 27.13%. Before discussing potential trading levels for Aurora Cannabis, let's review some key fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates the company has negative earnings or is operating at a loss. While downturns are common in established companies, persistent negative ratios could suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Looking ahead, the next earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled for June 12, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 90.18 cents. Monitoring these figures is crucial as they can significantly influence stock prices. Let's delve into potential day trading levels for Aurora Cannabis. In an upward trend, the first resistance level for Aurora Cannabis stands at $7.21. If you're considering entering a position without owning any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached. For current stockholders, this could be an opportune level for swing trading. With no substantial support from accumulated volume below, there's a possibility of the stock experiencing a sharp drop under specific circumstances. Exercise caution and contemplate making trades only if you possess the expertise to navigate such scenarios. Our recommended stop loss is set at 6.83 cents, 3.1%. This stock exhibits significant daily movements, posing a high level of risk. A sell signal was identified from a pivot top just 1 day ago. Is Aurora Cannabis stock a good buy? Our analysis indicates that several short-term signals, along with a positive trend, suggest a buying opportunity for Aurora Cannabis stock. While there are minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we still consider it a buy candidate compared to our previous strong buy rating. Based on recent volatility and movements, our system suggests that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Friday, April 5th, we anticipate Aurora Cannabis to open up at $7.47, showing an increase of 4 cents from the previous close. It's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. Before buying or selling any securities, it's advisable to consult with a financial advisor. Please be aware that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment decisions. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge your responsibility for your own investment choices. Share your thoughts on our current stock view. What's your target for this stock? Leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us at StockInvest.